Hey you guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be making pepper steak with shrimp fried rice. So here are my pepper steak, all chopped, clean, and ready to be seasoned and cooked. Also my shrimp, clean, deveined, and also ready to be seasoned and cooked. In the next part of my video, I'm going to show you the vegetables that I will be using. So I got my vegetables here, my garlic chop, my onions, my red chopped peppers, and all that good stuff. Here is all the seasoning powders that I will be using. I will be using some accent, some chicken bouillon season. I'm also going to be using some red cayenne pepper, some salt and black pepper for some spice, garlic powder, paprika, and this adobo. This is an all-purpose season, and the rice that we're going to be using. So I don't really want to talk too much in the video, so I just want you guys to stay tuned and pay attention. I'm just going to push this over to the side, change my gloves, and we're going to start seasoning this shrimp. Okay, now you guys, I'm going to start seasoning my shrimp. So I'm using half of this in here. I didn't use the whole thing, of course. This little piece here. Okay, first thing first, you guys, I'm gonna make my steak in this pot. I'm gonna turn the stove on to like a medium. Ooh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna make this water dry up, and we're going to go ahead and add in the extra virgin olive oil. Here's my steak all wrapped up and ready to be cooked. I feel like I'm just going to go ahead and unpeel it right now. And so you guys, I went ahead and turned the stove down because look at all of this smoke right there and everything. So the process that I'm going to put my steak through, I'm going to like add it little by little. I just noticed that I did add in just a little too much oil. Okay, guys, so I managed to add in all my steak. Look at that. Ooh, look at this. The rest of our vegetables. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to remove the pepper steak and I'm going to add the rest of this here. I'm going to add some butter to the pot and then we're going to add in, you guys, I'm going to add some butter to the pot. Heat that up a little bit. You know. Okay, you guys, so I'm adding in some coconut cream. I add in like about this much. I already have it chopped up and everything. I'm going to add in some water to, you know, my vegetables. And I'm going to allow this to just get cooked. Okay, I'm going to allow this to cook. And I'm going to place a cover over this, let it cook. Then I'm going to add in this coconut cream that I have here, as you can see. Now we're adding in our rice. Box it says to add in a tablespoon of olive oil. So let's try to get that while we're holding the camera. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut milk. Woo. mix this around. And as you can see, this gravy is already starting to get thick. Mix it around. And we're going to add in some water. More worms. Okay. Mix. Next, we're gonna add this gravy mix it with some water, and then get ready. All right, you guys. Now we're gonna add in our steak. First, I'm gonna add in this nice teaspoon of ketchup. Mix that around. You might see a little piece of the black stuff from the current things earlier, but we're gonna add in our steak now. Okay, we're gonna let that about a few minutes. Okay, you guys, so I did taste my pot and I noticed that it needed a little bit more salt, so I'm just going to add in a little bit more salt for you guys. I'm also going to add in a little bit more accent. Then I'm going to stir it around. Woo, did one of my... Okay, we'll get to that later. So I'm gonna taste it. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little piece of this chicken bouillon seasoning. And I sliced up some potatoes because I love potatoes in dishes like this. This is literally the Jamaican way. I'm going to mix it around, try to cover everything. Give it a taste. And I'm going to go ahead and add in this brown gravy mix. Okay, now we're gonna taste it. Alright, as I started adding, look at this. Gonna let this cook up, turn down the stove. So the time is now up. My rice is like, ooh, sorry. Gotta wipe this. Hold on. See that? Perfect. Okay, I wanna give it a try. So, I'm gonna set my rice to the side, place this here, turn that stove up, okay, and and we're gonna get ready to make the shrimp. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I flipped my shrimp. As you can see here, my shrimp is being nicely cooked. And I let each side cook for about a good 3 minutes. I should flip this one back over. Yeah. So yeah. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in all these to the pot. Boom, boom. All this. And I have my mixed vegetables here, and everything's gonna come together. Okay, you guys, so now is the time to add in your rice to the pot. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in my rice to the pot and we're gonna get it started. So first, I'm gonna try to bring up the pot more. Okay, alrighty, now we're gonna add in the rice. I hope I'm doing like a good job. Okay, you guys, so here's everything and how everything is looking. Just want you guys to see. So we have our shrimp here, our rice, and our pepper steak is done. Now I'm gonna serve all this together on a plate and be right back with you guys. Okay, guys, so this is how everything look on the plate. So you guys have finally made it to the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned. I really hope this video is helpful for anyone out there that's beginning how to cook, or you're just someone that loves to cook and would like to try something new. I really hope this video suits anyone out there in a way that it should. And yeah, so anyway, thank you guys for watching. The food was lovely, like no cap, the food was good, hands down. I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe and find out for yourself. The food was great. And you know, if you want to see more and if you like everything that's going on my channel, comment, like, share, subscribe. You already know what to do. Just comment, like, share, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will have better quality everything, step-by-step recipes, all that, like everything. But as y'all know, I'm the only one who's recording right now while I'm trying to cook at the same time, so I'm doing the best that I can do. So I really hope my videos that I'm putting out now is working out for some of you guys. But anyway, more will come, so stay tuned. Thank you guys.